And what were some of your favorite foods that you would eat, say, on
Oh,
Shabbos or the holidays?
are you familiar with that?
Not sure.
No. Okay, grievelig. Okay, we used to have schmaltz over bread with garlic. I liked chicken liver, uh, chicken soup, normal. We used to have, being in Romania, we used to have mamaliga. I did not particularly care for it, but my mother had a particular favorite dish that was really my favorite, and it's apparently people from Bukovina used that. It was called valse visslag. Valse visslag. It was not fish. Later in years, I found out it was made from chicken breast, but like meatballs. And you can eat them cold or warm, hot. And it was my favorite dish. Besides grivelag, all of the good fatty things, latkes. But interestingly enough, my mother used to prepare the valse visslag for the whole family for a week. Within 2-3 days, it was all gone. I don't cook. People have asked me why, and I did not have a good answer. So in a joking way, I'm saying I used to be a perfectionist, and I did not want to start, cooking because I did not want to become a gourmet cook. So you have to find a stupid excuse. I don't have, but my mother wanted to teach me how to do it. And I said, Mother, I've never been in the kitchen. I will never go. She said, well, I'm 81 years old. I'm not going to teach you something that's very difficult. I've never learned. I had other people making it, but it was not my mother's taste. It was good, not to say it. Like my mother used to make a lot of things from scratch. So she used to make sour pickles. I had a couple of times sour pickles close, but no cigar.